Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok sound not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is check your device's volume. So if your device's volume is down, it might be causing this problem as well. For the sake of this video, I'm going to simply go ahead and turn the video down, or the volume down. The second thing you want to do is disconnect any Bluetooth speaker that might be connected. So simply go ahead and pull down your control panel and simply check if any Bluetooth connect or any devices are connected to Bluetooth to ensure sound plays through your phone speaker. The other thing could be open TikTok on mute settings. You want to turn this off. It might be turned on mistakenly. So simply go ahead and open your TikTok app. Tap on your profile on the bottom right of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on the top right menu icon and then go down to settings and privacy. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head inside of playback.
It's 5 o'clock.
Playback is going to be inside of content and display, so simply go ahead and tap on that and open TikTok on mute. Make sure this setting is turned off. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.